What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Let's Play Deadbolt. Now, I've seen this game and it looks extremely difficult. It's been reviewed as basically a side-scrolling Hotline Miami, where you get to take control of the Reaper to quell the undead uprising. Now, I don't know what all of that means, but I got a feeling I'm not even going to be able to get out of the tutorial. So let's get into this. Another night. That is the character you play. That's me right there. Let's see here. Okay. Moving's easy. Easy enough. To go through the stairways. Pick up knife. Okay. And then I can stab this guy. Oh. Okay. Go through the doorway. Does he have a gun? This is gonna be fun. Okay, so I'm ready for. Okay, I'm ready for this guy. Is he gonna come up here? Wait, switch light. I can do that? Okay, now he can't see me. Ha 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 ha! Ha! Okay, I got him. Okay, hold. Right click, then left click. Alright. Oh! I bounced it. Does it? It throws where my mouse pointer is. Okay. Oh! Okay, I can't stop to admire my work. Alright. Alright. Okay. Ooh, I can cover? Wow, I gotta pay attention to all this stuff. Alright. I can do this again. I can do this. Yes! Get the gun. Okay, that raises the gun up. Ooh, can I cover? There we go. Not so bad. Can I come out of cover? There we go. I gotta learn all this stuff. So that's it? Wait, I can knock on the door? Diversion. Some Metal Gear stuff there. Oh, this is gonna be fun. There's no door. Enter vent. Oh, that's right. I'm death. I got death powers. Okay. Ah! There's a vent there and a doorway. Where's this go? Okay. 9mm. Okay, I can switch between the 32 and the 9mm. I'll stick with this. Maybe I'll be able to take them both out. Nice. I'll just close the door there and... Can I go back? Ooh, that takes me down. Now, they're gonna be up here in a second. Yeah, I'll take this guy out. Go ahead, open the door. Open the door! Just gonna stay in cover. Oh, here he comes. This is great. Wow, you really have to be careful how you're aiming. Alright. Enough of that building. Woo! So that was it for the tutorial. 5 stars. I got some souls. I don't know what any of this means yet. Oh, you're finally back. Oh, yeah. Just have a seat. Flames road a life and a voice speaks out, another life well returned. So the fire's talking to me. Ha! The candles tell me tales. Undead form and blossom, find their abode and knock and free them from their jails. Alright. Undead are easiest to kill when alone. Well, I can kind of see that. Undead, zombies included, must be helped towards the afterlife. Okay, so there's gonna be some different people in this next one, I'm thinking? What is this? Oh, choose mission. Alright. So I got a choice. Zombie Kings, noisy neighbors. Kill all undead. Easy enough, we'll give it a shot. The tutorial wasn't too bad. I thought I was gonna do much worse. Oh jeez. Okay. Okay, there's a vent there. Alright. It's gonna wake up everybody if I shoot him. He's got a gun too. Ooh, should I lure him to open the door? Ha 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 ha! Bop, bop! Okay, here comes some people. Alright, they're hiding already. You gonna come up here? Ooh, do I hide? There we go. Oh, he was looking at the body. Okay. Oh no, I'm out of bullets. That's not good. Where do I get more? I can punch. Oh, I see the gun down there. Well, how am I gonna get that without dying? Gotta go quick. Gotta go quick. There we go. Bop! Hide in the dark. Maybe knock on the door. There we go. There we go. There we go. There's one left. Is there a light switch? There we go. I like that. Oh! Turn around! I had it! I had it! I had it! Alright, we can do this. Gotta be careful which way the mouse is pointing. Wow, do I suck. Alright, they're gonna be coming through. No! How did I do much better last time? I like going this direction. Oh, let's see. One shot. There we go. One shot. Headshot. Come on. Alright, that took me out of bullets that time. He'll never notice me. Maybe I should just punch him to death. my mistake. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Maybe I'll save the bullets? That seemed like it worked. Till I go through here and they both kill me. Oh! Could I have hid there? Can I just go in and kill this guy right away? Got that one. Execution style. Bap! Alright, now I go up here? Trying it a little different. See if this does anything differently. Oh, 2 shots. Uh-oh. I'm not in here. Nope, not in here. They saw me. I'm not here. I know I'm not here. Come on. Come on! Yes! What is that? Cassette tape? I don't know. Maybe that's something I can look at in that room with the fire. Got 4 shots left. Ooh, that was a long shot. Alright, now keep the mouse pointed that way. There we go. There we go. Alright, that wasn't too terrible. Oh, I only got 4 stars. Well, 4 deaths. I guess that's not too terrible. Is that a candle? What is this? Listen to cassettes. Sweet. Zombie 1. Oh, I'll let you pause here to read that. I don't know, that must be some backstory or something? Or maybe stuff will be revealed as I find more? I don't know there. No clue. What will the fire tell me this time? Eject their brains and see what it contains. Okay. There's a bouncer on the far side of the house. I can kill him to get his weapon. Oh, this is giving me information on the next mission? Huh. Ash gives them powers? The bouncer is a large zombie with shotgun. Great. Can't wait to see him, but we're gonna have to wait till the next episode for that. This game's pretty fun. Definitely difficult. Not too terrible at the moment, but I'm sure it will get a lot worse. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoy this and want to see more, leave a like. It does help me out, and it lets me know that you do want to see more. So, until next time, have fun, everybody.